Sometimes things can go off track, sometimes problems push us back, but every challenge that we face can be solved step by step in place. Pause a moment, take it slow. There's a way forward we can know. Think it through, don't rush ahead. Use your mind instead. What's the problem? What can work? We can figure out the hard parts first. Think it through, step by step. There are choices to inspect. Every problem has a way. We can solve it day by day. Solve it day by day. Maybe something broke apart. Maybe feelings got too hard. Maybe plans did not go right. We can still work through tonight. Big or small, we can try. That's how stronger skills arise. Think it through, don't rush ahead. Use your mind instead. What's the problem? What can work? We can figure out the hard parts first. Think it through, step by step. There are choices to inspect. Every problem has a way. We can solve it day by day. Stop and think before you choose. There are many paths to use. Some solutions help more than others. That's how thinkers can recover. Think it through, now you know. Problem solving helps us grow. Every challenge that appears can become more clear from here.